Hello, I'm Fred Inman, work for Oak Tree Supply. First thing we're going to talk about a little bit quick is safety. If you've got a lathe, let's get a face shield. Let's wear our face shield before something comes flying off the lathe and we get hit. The other thing we're going to talk about is sharpening on a Woodworking sharpening jig. Anybody who's turning needs to sharpen their tools. You have to sharpen quite often. These happen to be the wheels that come on the grinder. This is what we're going to operate with. The most used tools for most of us turners is a 3/8 inch bowl gouge, maybe a skew, a 3/8 or 1/2 inch spindle gouge, and a roughing gouge. That should do most of your turning. When you buy the sharpening jig, it comes with the base, and then you need a tool holder. There's a couple different options for that. This is the one we sell the most of. In the instruction book, it tells you to take a block of wood and drill a 2-inch hole deep on one end and 1 3/4 inch on the other end. Helps you to gauge the depth of your tool so you get in the same position every time. On a bowl gouge, 3/8 inch bowl gouge, you're going to insert the tool through the tool holder. Use your little block of wood. This is going to gauge the depth in the holder every time. And line it up so that it matches the wheel. Now once this is locked in place, I can come back here, use the block, the tool holder, set it in here. If you don't move this, it'll be the same grind every time. It'll look like that. And sharpen the tool. This is a spindle gouge. You can use the same block, just like this. And maybe a little bit different angle on the wheel. Mine's not. Do the same thing with a spindle gouge. Hold your tool so you get the same angle every time when you go back to the spindle gouge. Okay, say we want to sharpen a skew. They also make this little attachment so you can sharpen your skew. And bring it out, get the angle that you want to sharpen, and sharpen your tool in this direction, turn it around, sharpen it in that direction. There again, if you don't move this, every time you go back to it, you're going to get the same edge and the same angle. It'll also come with a little platform. You want to sharpen a wood chisel. You can lay it right on here and sharpen your wood chisels. But everybody uses a roughing gouge. The roughing gouge sets in the cradle like this. You bring it out. There, we want to match our angle. Turn this on, and you're just going to rotate this. Where we've got a sharp tool. Don't move this. You come back. As long as you're using your roughing gouge, you can walk right back to this.